Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can delete your history and browsing data from your Google Chrome. So let's see how it's done. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Now, to delete your history, what you need to do is click on these three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Once you do, you can see the history option. Hover your cursor and you can see two options, the history and grouped history. Click on the history button, or you may simply press the Ctrl and H key combinations. Then once you click on it, you can see all of your history, and this is by default sorted by date. You have another option to sort it by group. The best option is to sort it by date, as it is easier to manage. But it also depends on your personal preference as well. Then, to delete your browsing data or history, simply click on this particular option right here, which says delete browsing data. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear like this. Now, let's understand what all these options are. As you can see that this is the time range, which gives us only that particular browsing data or history which is selected in this particular frame. For example, right now it is selected to the last hour. That means it will only delete the browsing data or history in the past hour. If you want to increase it, you can select it from here. You have other options like last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If you want to completely erase your history of all the time and want it completely blank, then you need to select this particular option which says all time. Then you need to choose what exactly you want to delete. If you just want to delete the browsing history, then you need to click on this particular check mark. If you also want to delete the cookies and other site data, then you can also click on this particular checkbox. Now, you may also free up some space by clicking on this particular check mark which says cached images and files. Then, in the advanced tab, you can delete other things like stored passwords and other sign-in data, any autofill form data, or any other additional site settings or host app data. If you just want to delete the history, simply uncheck these items. Then, once you have selected the browsing history, you may proceed by clicking on the delete data button. Once you do, all your history will be successfully erased. So, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.